කොහොමද news එක නේ? Account is going to be easy for those who have not done O level commerce. Why? අර O level commerce එකේ basics අර cash book මං කිව්වා last class cash book bank account is not in A level commerce. And it's going to be easy. So, and you don't be afraid that because I don't have O level commerce knowledge. ඊයේ business studies නේ. ඒකම කියනවා අප්පා මේ පොරනේ. නෑ ඊයේ business studies නේ. In today's accounting you think that because I don't have O level commerce, A level commerce is going to be difficult. ඒක බොරු guys. Everything is taught from very basics, A to Z, right? Okay, so even though you don't know what is accounting, it's not going to be an issue. People who have done commerce පොඩ්ඩක් ලොකු වෙබ් එකක ඉන්නේ දැන් මොනද? අපි commerce කරා O level, අපි accounting දන්න, debit අපිට දන්න. ඒගොල්ලන්ට වඩා guys commerce කරපු නැති කට්ටියට හොඳටම තේරෙයි. brand new නේ. අර කට්ටියට brand new නෙවෙයි. confusion. එහෙ මෙහෙම කරා මෙහෙම කරනවා අනේ මන් දන්නේ. So but don't worry, just forget whatever you have in your O level commerce. O level commerce එක 100%ක්වත් නැහැ, nothing. ඒ හන්දා ඒක දන්නවා කියලා මෙතන ලොකු සීන් දාන්නත් බෑ. හරිද? Right. So let's start guys. Yesterday we did business. As I said, join that community. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ tute එකේ first page එකේම QR code එකක් තියෙනවා. එතන වුණත් scan කරලා ලස්සන්ට join වෙන්න පුළුවන්. You all can join that. In that I will give you the updates, right? Okay. Same guys. I'm going to start as I did yesterday. Okay, I'll just take 2 minutes for that. There are students who are doing business studies. If you're opting to do business studies, you can still do business studies guys. That recording I had provided. What is business guys? Ade ආවේ accounting වලට බම what is business ගාලා. What is business? Anything you do to fulfill needs and wants. කටපාඩම් කරාද ගෙදර ගිහිල්ලා? No, you are still remember why I said if you understand guys, okay? If you understand, you will not forget. If you memorize, you will forget. Hurry, memorize karana, forget now. So as I said yesterday guys, okay, same thing today. ඔලම වෙල්කම් කරලා ඔක්කොම කරේ නෑ ඕනේ නෑ නෙව්වනේ ආයෙ මොනවන්නේ 2026 A level accounting and it's your first day. So here also guys, okay, I'll say about the chapters, paper structure and all in different class. I will say one good news until 2018 and after 2018 there is some change. You can use what? You can use calculator for your exam. Accounting के समार कटी तो नहीं calculation का 2 plus 2 किए था बम 2 1 2 3 और नहीं 2 plus 2 किए था उत्तरे 4. You can use what? Calculator for accounting. It's from 2018. So that's a good news for you all, no? When we were doing O level, A level commerce and all, calculator නෑ පුතේ ඔක්කොම හිතලා ලවල් බඩ කාලා. ඕගලන්ට එහෙම නේ ලස්සනට ගැහුවා උත්තරේ ගත්තා. So you can use A level what calculators for accounting. Listen, business yesterday I said 90% theory, 10% calculation. Accounting 90% calculation, 10% theory. But this 10% theory is very important for you to understand what guys? That calculation. O level करने काल वगे format को memorize करना. Teacher will say, draw the format on the bristle board and you all like memorize the format. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, cost of sale, gross profit. You can't memorize in. Now, people who haven't done commerce for O level, have you done? No. Good news, you study everything from basics. Why? Api danne na, you teach us from the beginning. Right, okay? So, we are going to start accounting, guys. My first question, like yesterday, I'm going to ask from you all, guys. By doing accounting as a subject, can you be a doctor? Ambition, I want to be a doctor, Mitana. Then you can be an කවුරු වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? You can be an accountant. Conductor නම් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එයත් ඒක නේ කරන්නේ මල්ලි 25 ටිකට් මාරු සල්ලි conductor වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Accountant වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So if you do accounting, you are going to be known as accountant. So what is accounting? මේකට කලින් ක්ලාස් එකක් try කරපු කට්ටිය නේද නේ? How sad. Try කරන්නේ නැද්ද? Right. No, right. Okay. O level commerce you all did know. right? I know only one of them who did O-level commerce. Others, I think from that school, you were there, I think grade 10 or something, I don't remember, right? Harine? Right. So listen, Ahabanda, if I ask from those, what is accounting, Balaganda, memorize notes. Accounting refers to the process of identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting transaction into financial information to stakeholders for decision making. Mokadde? Memorized. Yesterday also we did the same, no? Ehema katapadan kiyala hariyanne naha. You can't memorize and give me any answer. So look at this. Today, before you leave these premises, guys, okay, almost 30% of the first chapter will be done. 30% of first chapter will be done. Okay, first chapter is only introduction to accounting. What is accounting? Is it clear? Right. So guys, say me, I won't ask what is accounting from you all. If I ask accounting, you are going to give me that memorized notice or no? Is the process of identifying, recording, classifying. Apitova onne. The person who does accounting is known as, very good. The person who does accounting is known as accountant. Just listen to what I'm saying, guys. Your focus in the class only really important, right? I didn't talk about paper structure, how many chapters in the first class. No, first class what you want. Can I continue with this? Can I mata make class එක හරියට කරන්න බොරුවට අර වැඩ කැලි දාලා ටියුට් එහෙමම නෑ ටියුට් එකක් දෙනවා. But what I'm saying is what? Understanding the concept, right? Who is doing accounting? Accountant. Guys, ඔයාගේ යාළුවෙක් ඇවිල්ලා කියනවා, one of your friend is saying you, I got a job as an accountant. Another friend is saying, I got a job as a driver, accountant. Another person is saying, Machang, I got a job as a teacher. Harine, accountant, hari. Anith ekena, kawuda? Driver. Anith ekena, teacher. Mama kamagu, right? Now you understand, machan teaching job ne. Ito meya මොකද්ද ගිහිලා කරන්නේ? Teaching. මෙයා මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? What is he doing? What is he doing in the job? Teacher is going and dancing. No, he is teaching. Driver will do driving. Accountant will do accounting. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So what is accounting? That is what the accountant will do in the job. Hurry. No, correct? No. What is teaching? What the teacher does. What is driving? Mama swimmer lo. Mama මොනවද කරන්නේ? Swimming lo. එහෙමනේ guys, okay? Right. So now I'm asking from you all, you understand what's teaching because you have seen teachers. You understand what is driving? What is driving? Moving a vehicle from one place to another. Yes or no? What is accounting? මොකක්ද එයා කරන්නේ? I don't want memorize notes. What do you think? Accountant, what is he doing? හරි මම යනවලු මම තව accountant ලෝ ගියාලු. පුටුවේ වාඩි වුණාලු ලස්සන්ට. What am I doing? What am I doing? Those who did not do commerce, answer me. If a person says, Machan, mata accounting job back labuna, I got a job as an accountant, I am doing accounting. What do you understand he is doing, say me? Okay, I am saying, I got a driving job. You won't ask ए कियान्ने. Why is it? You know what is driving. You will ask, are you driving a van or a bus or a lorry? I am saying, I got an accounting job. What is that person doing? Say me. ගිහිල්ලා laptop එක open කරලා කොස් අරගෙන අතු ගහලා ඔක්කොම දාලා right ඔක්කොම clean කරලා right, that is accounting, correct? So that is not accounting, that is cleaning. Is it clear? Yes. එන මොනවද කරන්නේ? What is he doing? Let's talk. You thought I'll be doing a traditional class, Ender Lamai, Pothaganda, Leander, chapter 1, accounting refers to nah. It's understand, guys. Say, what is it? What is he doing, say me? වාගේ යාළුවෙක් accountant. Okay, we'll say, guys, ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ අක්කා හරි කාව හරි accountant කෙනෙක් බඳිනවා. එයා මොකද්ද කරන්නේ මස්සිනා? ඕගොල්ලන් accountant කෙනෙක්ව බඳින්න යනවලු. What is he doing? Dance කරනවද? What is he doing? නෑ laptop එකේ පොට කරලා ගහගෙන ඉන්නවනේ කොහේ. What is he doing? He is doing accounting. What is accounting? Boy, say me. Give you ideas. Yes, what? Look, she has not done O-level commerce. She is saying calculator තියෙනවා. එයා විලා ගණන් බලන්නේ. He is doing calculating. ඒතර එයාට කියන්න ඕනේ calculator කියලා නේ. accountant නෙවෙයි. නේද? නෑ මම කියන්නේ no. If he's calculating, he's the calculator, no? Not the accountant. Guys, look at this. Look, definition is done in 2 minutes. Banda. Accounting is the process of whatever the accountant does. No, what you know he does. Meya mukut karanne putala. He provides what? Information. So what is accounting? Providing. Ehemada. Now accountant gawada gilla. Will he train tomorrow? Yes, it will. Will he give that information? No. Then what information? What is the population of India? Will he give? Yes, okay. Will he give that information, guys? No. Accountant will providing information water. He will not just information. Those are what? What information? What information? Financial information of the business. Here look guys. I'm going and asking. What is the profit? 20,000 rupees. What is the loss? 10,000 rupees. How much we should pay bank loan? 50,000 rupees. All those information who is providing? So what is accounting? Provide. Meya calculating you meya calculate karla uttarayak gannawane no. Or calculator you take an answer no. That answer is information which is given for whom? For whom? This information is given to whom? You might think owner, but we call them as what guys? Stakeholders. Why stakeholders need that information? Fun eකට තමයි නෑ their decision depends on what guys? This information. Will you provide a loan for the business if you are the bank manager for a loss making business? Will you provide a loan? I am doing a business loss. I am coming and asking for a loan. Will you provide? No, you will ask, give me your profit or loss statement. Say me how much property you have. Yes or no? That information is prepared in my business by whom? By the accountant. So what is accounting, everyone? Process of what? Providing what? Not just නිකං information means අර කෙල්ලගේ නම දන්නවද? ඔය information මගෙන් ගන්න එපා බං මම ඇවිල්ලා accountant. I will only give what information? Financial. What is financial information? Anything that could be measured in monetary terms. It ends up in rupees. Is it clear? Nikang 1,000 when 1,000 rupees when When I am asking what is the profit, he is saying 1,000. 1,000 coconut. No, 1,000 rupees. What information? Financial information. Understood on everyone? Right. Again, same everyone. Look, O-level commerce. If you haven't done, have done. Good news. You will understand better than people who did O-level commerce. ඒකනේ එකම ප්‍රොබ්ලම් එක ආවේනේ. කොමර්ස් අපරාධේ කරේ නෑ බං අපේ ටීචර් ඩෙබිට් ක්‍රෙඩිට් ගාලා කරා මං ගිහලා ජෝග්‍රෆි කරා. එහෙමනේ. නැත්නම් මං ගිහලා සෙකන්ඩ් ලැන්ග්වේජ් තමිල් කරා. එහෙමනේ. Right, okay. Good news is you are learning from very basic. Everyone in this class, no notes have been written. Like yesterday, what is business vagemai? What is accounting? It is all about providing information. What information? For whom? Who are stakeholders? Not only owner, guys. Will I work in a place which is making loss? No. Will I buy things from a business which is making loss? එයා අවුරුදු 5ක් warranty දෙනවා. මාස 6න් යනවා. කඩෙත් නෑ. No, right? Government, will they collect whatever the tax is given or government will calculate tax? So government to say the tax, they need the profit or loss of the business. Yes or no, guys? So anyone who needs the information is known as what? Stakeholders. Is it clear, guys? Now look, guys, zero knowledge in accounting. You are here today from very basics. What is accounting? Vinadi pahak giyana ne. What is accounting? It is the process of providing information for whom? Stakeholders. Why stakeholders need this information? Their decision depends on that information. Is it clear? Accountants are paid high salary or low salary? ඔයගොල්ලන් දැන් කොමර්ස් කරන නිසා මමත් ඔයගොල්ලන් වගේ තමයි. I want to be an accountant. But actual saying is not I want to be an accountant. I want to be rich. For that, by doing commerce, I will be an accountant. එහෙමනේ. අන්තිමට කවුරු හරි කිව්වා නම් කෝටි 500ක් දෙන්නම් A level කරන්න එපා. Will you say nah? Education is need. මට කිව්වා නම් කෝටි 500ක් දෙන්නම් ටීච් කරන්න එපා. ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලා මොන ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් පව් අප්පා ඒලා ඕන දෙයක් 500 දෙන්න මං එනවා සැපේ. Yes or no guys? Finally we all want to be what guys? Live a very good life without working hard. Yes or no? So if you are selecting accounting as a subject, what you would have thought, I want to be an accountant. I can earn 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh and I can live an author life. Yes or no? So, why accountants are paid a high salary? Reason, same. Why accountants are paid a high salary? If you know people who are working in Gulf countries, even Australia, usually accountant with their salary is very high. You agree? Why? Don't say me qualification. Guys, A-level qualified, then I'll say ACC hari Sima hari qualified, BSc degree hari nattam management degree karla, you had done a PhD and you work as a preschool teacher. Qualification. Will you get high salary? No. Then accountants are not paid because of high salary. It is paid because of high risk, guys. The information they provide is very important because it can change decisions, guys. Understand? No? ඔයා නිකන් හරි වැරදියට calculate කරා නම් if you calculate incorrectly, decision can be totally different. For example, you after A levels මට job නැල්ලු. ඕගොල්ලන් ලොකු company එකක් start කරලා කියනවලු උස්මාන් සපව් බං job එකක් දෙමු accounting job. January 100,000 loss. I am accountant, I am providing information. February 300,000 loss. March 500 loss. April 20,000 profit. May 600,000 loss. Again June 1 million loss. July 2 million loss. What will you do for the business? What will you do for the business? Practically. මොනවද කරන්නේ ඇත්තට business එකේ? පොඩි වෙනස්කමක් කරමු business. So we make a small change and June, July, August 10 million loss. කෝටියක් loss. What will you do for the business? What will you do? ඇත්ත කියන්න if you are the owner, what will you do? වහලා දාලා ගෙදර යනවා බා. Yes or no? After that මම call එකක් ගන්නවලු. Hello sir, job නෑ sir, වැහුවා business එක. I'm coming in a Prado and saying ඔක loss නෙවෙයි බං, profit. April fool ගහනවලු මම. You never asked why what, you took your decision based on the information I gave. So what is accounting? Providing information. That information only the business depends, guys. Is it clear? So that's why we pay high salary for accountant, because that information is important for whom? For the business as well as government, as well as employees, as well as customers to make important decisions. Understood or no, guys? Okay. Right. Everyone answer me. Now you look understood. O level commerce කරේ නෑ sir මට තේරුණා නැහැ. කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද මෙතන? No, what is accounting? Everyone say me. What is accounting? Accounting is all about providing information. What information? Financial. Can you ask from accountant අරයාගේ නම දන්නවද? හෙට වහීද? Those are also information, no? Accountant will only provide what information? Financial information for whom? Who are stakeholders? Anyone who uses that information for what purpose? Decision making purpose. Right, okay? Then why that information is important for them? Because based on that only they make decisions. I was repeating the same thing again. Is it clear, guys? You know what's accounting, guys. හරිද නැද්ද guys? You know what's accounting? Then you might think මේක පට්ට ලේසිනේ බං accounting. Right, let's see. In my class, ask from your seniors. I always say, guys, right? When you're studying accounting, look at this. When you're studying accounting, you think as accountants. So hereafter, if I ask, who are we? We are accountants. The question paper is there, no? A level exam ගොඩක් කට්ටිය guys. දැන් මම ඕගොල්ලන් maths කරපු කට්ටිය guys නේ. grade 1 to grade 11 maths කරලා O level උත් ලියලා ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. But still you say maths is hard, maths is difficult. Maths is easy. දෙන්න හිතෙන්නේ මුට maths easy ලු. When I say that, you will disagree, no? Why maths was difficult for some of you all? Not because the subject is difficult. Because why? The subject requires information. Find x, find y, calculate this, expand this. You don't know to provide that information. Is it clear? So, accounting is not equal to maths, guys. Guys who came right now, you can use calculators, as you all know. So therefore, when we do any question in A level or chartered or whatever, it's simply think these questions are what, guys? These questions require you information. Look guys, you all think like an accountant. Mum me tute ka print karalu 200 rupees. I'm just saying, okay, I don't know, I'm just saying. I printed 10 tutes. I'm just saying, I sold all 10 tutes for 300 rupees each. How much did I collect, same everyone? Your accountants, give me information, I am stakeholder. How much did I collect? 3,000. Is it profit or loss? Profit, how much? 1,000. For selling one tute, I paid 10 rupees commission. Then how much I should minus for 10 tutes? 100. What is my final profit? So what did you all do just now? You all provided what? Information. Now I'm asking from you, shall I do that work? Shall I do that process again? Will I make a profit? Yes or no? Yes. ඔයා මට වැරදිලා loss කියලා කිව්වා නම් මගේ business එක මම වහලා ගෙදර. අපරාධ business එක. Is it clear? So what is accounting? Right, what is accounting? It's all about providing information. What information? Financial information. For whom? Stakeholder. Is stakeholder only the owner? No. Government is stakeholder or no? Yes. Why? Government to calculate tax, they need your profit or loss. Is it clear? Is employee stakeholder or no? Now international school is not paying salary on time. The management is saying we will pay you, wait, we are in a small loss. That teacher during the period, she will take a phone and type teaching jobs around Kandy. Yes. If you're not paying the salary on time, that information is not given, you are making a loss, means even your employees will want to work somewhere else. Why? Now I am teaching, I am earning money here, I don't know how much I earn. I go and ask from the accountant at IMS, me mase mage amount ekiyeda. She gives me the info. If she says, now you are coming for the class, next day only one student, guys. I'm just saying, only one student. One student, profit or loss for me? Loss. We understood, guys. Likewise only, any information is given, financial information is given by whom? By the accountant. Is it clear, guys? Okay, you all know what's accounting. Agree? Then I will go back to a normal traditional class. Everyone are going to go for school or normal. Private also you all can do. If you all want any guidance on that, I will help you all. Anyone, if you are going for school teachers like they will say like this. Look, accounting refers to the process of, look at the words, what? Identifying, what? Recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and finally communicating. ඕගලන්ට දෙන නෝට් එක මෙන්න මේව සට්ටවඩි නෝට් එකක් දෙන්නේ කොහමද? Accounting is the process of identify, recording, classify. ඕගලන් උත් එක හිටගෙන accounting is the process of identify, recording, classifying කරලා. Guys, this is how you prepare that information. What is the final step? ඕලෙල් කොමර්ස් කරපුවටත් මේ වගේ ඩයග්‍රෑම් එකක් ඇඳලා තියෙන්නේ. What is the final step? Communicating. Is it clear? So, what will you communicate? Okay, I'll ask like this, guys. Say agree or disagree. Communicating is another name for providing information. Yes or no? I communicated my profit. I provided the information of profit. True or false? Communicating what, guys? What? Financial what? Information. Have you all done grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? At least 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ICT. Grade 7, 8, 10, 11. In your ICT class, your sir or teacher would have taught, Putala, information is the output, input is what? Input is what? Information is useful things where you can make decision. Yes or no? Agree guys? Okay. Then what are inputs? Inputs are data. So if financial information is what communicated as the output, guys, balaganda, if this is the output, this is known as what? The process, and there should be what, guys? There should be input. Inputs are known as, in accounting, look at this guys, transactions and explain what's a transaction. Okay, you all gave me the profit answer, no guys? First of all, guys, then like yesterday what we did, understood, wrote, answered paper questions. Today also what are we going to do? Understood, we are writing and we are going to answer paper questions. Okay, we are doing on the first day itself. Everyone say me, give me the information. I bought a chair for 1,000, sold it for 1,200. Profit or loss? I bought a beautiful chair, sold it for a beautiful lady. What is the profit? I can't give the information. Why? Why? In accounting, we record only what? Only what? Transaction and events. So look at this, guys. Now you all calculated the profit in the previous, right? You calculate the profit or loss in the previous this one, no? The whatever the input I gave you all was what? Transactions and events. Here look guys, everyone. Transaction means there should be at least two people exchanging something in terms of rupees. Look at the transaction. Buying, selling, eating. Beautiful, ugly, short, long. All transactions there should be two people involved. Hello guys, paid rent 1,000 transaction. Why? There's an amount involved there. Is it clear guys? Okay guys, can the accountant record like this? Say whether accountant will record these or no. I'm going to say a story, you select the transactions, right? I'll teach what is events. I didn't teach it yet. I purchased wood for 1,000 rupees. Will accountant record? Yes or no? Ek accountant වැදගත්ද නැද්ද? You are going to say me again profit or loss. I purchased a wood for 1,000 rupees. Will he record? Yes, transaction. I paid carpenter 500 rupees to make a chair from the wood. Transaction or no? Yes. Next one. I went to Kandy. I was walking to Kandy. It was raining. Will you write that? Hari vena kiyapanko apu. Hey, that is not input in accounting. Then I am saying, I bought the timber for 1,000. No, that person was very good. He gave me a cup of coffee. You will write, he gave you cup of coffee. Why? That is not input in accounting. Hammer deyakma pe record karanne naha. We don't record. We only record what? Transactions and events. What is transaction now? They won't ask in the exam what is transaction, what is accounting. Exam without knowing that 10% theory, you can't understand the 90% calculate. Make a business nahi hai. Accounting wala 10% theory natuwa, you can't understand what? That 90% calculation. Right? Same everyone. Transaction means anything that take place between two people which has monetary value. Events means, what are events? It's raining. Event or no? Event. Can you record in accounting? Can't. Mama වැටුණා. I just memo කතා කරන් ඉද්දි පයින් යද්දි දඩස් ගාලා වැටුණා. ඔයගොල්ලන් hina වෙයි. කමන්නේ. Event or no? Event. Can you record that in accounting? මම වැටෙද්දි mic එකත් මෙහෙම ගැලවිලා මේක කැඩුනාලු. Loss will say 50,000. Can record or no? Events that has a financial effect can be recorded. Shall I say an example? Sold goods, transaction or event? Say me. sold goods, transactional events. Sold, got the money, gave the goods. Yes, exchange, agree. Flood, destroyed goods, transactional event. Not we are flood. May hit the salli arangenda, other arang and Gangutra flood, goods are going. Customer salli dila gata, heta salli dende nathang you pay tomorrow or you pay and take the result. Flood is taking my furniture away. Here, tomorrow again come, bring the money. But still I will record that as a loss. Yes or no? Is that transaction? That is what then? Event in accounting. Just event means what? Dancing is what? Event. But in accounting, only events that has a monetary effect can be recorded. Is it clear? Why accountants record this, guys? Why accountant me record karane? Why? Final thing is what? Preparing what? Financial? Yes, they are communicating. Before communicate, they have to prepare, no? And they will communicate these things in a document known as financial statements. Understood or no, guys? Okay. Do you know how to do accounts? No, but you want to know what is accounting. Chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until everything. I will teach you how to prepare these financial. That is A-level accounting. What is A-level accounting? How to prepare these financial statements. So who are we, guys? Accountant. What is our duty? Providing financial information in the form of what? Financial. For that the question will be what, guys? Transaction. What you should do to prepare this? We have to identify, record. I'll just say people who might know, O-level commerce might know. Identifying in source document, recording in prime entry book, classifying ledger account, summarizing trial balance. We have to analyze, interpret using ratios and all. And finally communicate this. Is it clear? So put like in this. Look. Happy hemming yanni. What is accounting? Process of what, guys? Cut up mage pante, guys. No memorizing, guys. Cut up padang karanne mana. It's easy. Now you can teach. Ada conductor adde hada mana dahne kan. Iya conductor mana dawge? Nangi, what is? Ada mokada nangi? Nangi, what is? Accounting. Kiyanne. It's all about providing information. Oh, e kohomade? Ekata podi steps tiyena taama api chapter 1 taama danne naha. What you need to prepare this output? Input. What is input in accounting? Transaction events. Understood or no, guys? Okay. Right. Online students in your right. So chapter 1 accounting. Look at your first and second lesson, guys. There are 5 lessons in chapter 1. Mama syllabus ehema denne ade okkom boru, guys. Are deela mona karandade? Right? I will give you the syllabus paperwork later. What is the first page, guys? Okay. What is the first page? Lesson 1 and lesson 2. Right. Online students, please. Right. Now, because I sent the recording yesterday business, it was clear, right? If anyone had watched, it was all clear, but I won't do that continuously. ඒ සමහර කටි අද වැස්ස බං යන්නත් බෑ වගේ පොර recording උත් දෙනවනේ ඒක බලන් ඉමු. එහෙම නෙවෙයි, come for classes, right? Okay, right. Right, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, online students, I'm just sending the. Alright, guys. Okay, I did not say you all who is the father of accounting. Luca Pacioli, Egyptian, Italian gala kiwa. Oh, come දැනගෙන මොනා කරන්නද? ඌ මැරිලා හරිද guys? එයා මැරිලා, sorry. හරි. Right, okay. Let's start, guys. Okay, what is accounting? Before I give you the definition, look at the 2 definitions given, guys. Look at the 2 definitions given. I can use the internet and take around 25 definitions. Oh, nah, right, okay. Look at that. Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and the decisions by the matana mokut therun nෑ බං ඔය කියවනවා තමයි. Yes, you don't understand like that. But what you know is what, guys? In your words, what is accounting? Providing information for. Now you read slowly, you will understand something there. Look that process of identifying transaction unada nadda, measuring the amount something, communicating. What is communicating? Providing what? Economic economic. I said yesterday what is economic? That's chaos, limited, very important information to permit informed judgments and the decisions by the users. මොකද්දෝ කියනවා. But මං හිතන්නේ ඒක තමයිනේ. Right? This is not my definition, no. But now look at the second definition. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing significant manner and in terms of money, transaction events which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. Habu. We don't memorize anyone else's transaction. We create for us to understand. So what is our definition? Same guys. Best definition, easy, simple English definition. What is it? It's a process of. No need to say that one. Instead of saying identify, recording, classify, guys. Now listen to me for 5 minutes. What I Leander calling. Instead of saying this, instead of saying the entire thing, this is the final thing. No, I will use one word. Systematical process. So accounting is not just recording the transaction. Dhammam passe kelim information inna. There are steps to follow. Agree? You all come to my place. I am inviting you all. End up ගෙදරට. හරිද guys? ටිකක් මේ කතාව දන්නවනේ මම ඕලෙල් එකත් කියලා දෙන සමහර කට්ටියට. I am saying yes, come to my place. Everyone came. වාඩි වෙන්න. මොනවාද බොන්නේ? තේ එකක් බොමු. I have said this story. මතකද? Right, සමහර කට්ටිය මතකද? Guys, I'm going to make you all tea. Say me what are the inputs of tea. මං කියන්න. What are the inputs of tea? කියන්න බලමු. Inputs of tea. Girls කියවෙන දන්නවනේ? Boys දන්න. මමත් දන්නවා. What is it? Yes, say me what is inputs. I will say අර steps නැතුව මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා. Water H2O වල. Water ආය I know මං ඕගොල්ලන්ගෙන් අහන්නේ. Alright, what is it? Milk powder ආය sugar, tea leaves ආය මොකක්ද උනේ? හරි cup look we need fire නේ oven එක හරි මොන හරි stove එකක් හරි මොන හරි kettle, right? Kettle ninja plenty නෙවෙයි නිකම් plenty නෑ නිකන් tea milk tea. Right guys, okay, I'm saying විනාඩි 5ක් දෙන්න tea හදන් එන්නම්. I know this, I also know this. What I'm going to do, look at this guys, look at this. හොඳට අහගන්න, you will understand what I'm trying to say there. I took the kettle, I went to the tap. I put, correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Tap එකෙන් හරි filter වතුර හරි දැම්ම වතුර. Correct or incorrect girls? Say me. Correct. Then I went again. I took the milk powder, put into the kettle. I took the tea leaves, put into the kettle. I took the sugar, put in the kettle. You want ginger? Ginger, put into the kettle. And when I went and kept. A gas tea now. Now, 1, 2, 3, count. What will you do? Mama යනකන් ඉඳි ගිහිල්ලා තුන් ගාලා දාලා. Guys, inputs were correct. Output is upset. Why? Where is the problem? You will say me මම ඊයේත් මේ කතාව කිව්වනේ. යාළුවෝ නැද්ද ඕගලන්ටද නෑ? Have you ever drank tea from a friend's place? Yesterday for you all. Same thing. Here look guys. Sometimes අපි ගිහිල්ලා බොද්දි පොර බොනවා. අපිට බොන්න බෑයි. මේ රහ නෑ බං තේක. Listen. Right now no one will invite you all බලන්න. Guys, input is correct or incorrect? Correct. Output was, we thought it is correct, but actually it is bad. Why? Process what was not followed. So in accounting, make a ganda nam pute, you have to follow a process. So instead of, what is the process? Identify, record, analyze, summarize, classify, summarize, analyze. Without saying that, chapter 1, no? What is the one word? Is the what process? Systematical process of recording transaction events in order to provide what? Financial information for whom? Why stakeholders need that information? No, they want to make decisions. That's accounting. Understood or no, guys? Let's write down, guys, okay? Accounting refers to, online students, I have sent to the group the image, right? Accounting refers to the systematical process of accounting refers to the systematical process of identifying and recording transactions and events in order to provide what, guys? In order to provide what? Just information. Provide financial information for whom, guys? Yeah, look, you know what's next, right? For stakeholders. Within bracket, another name for stakeholders, users. USERS, users. Enabling them to, close bracket, enabling, 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 making them able. We call enabling, right? If I get this information, I am able to make decisions. No, enabling them to make important decisions related to the business. Make important decisions related to the business. Now look, guys, I want you all to think, first of all, our Bayanati Karanda, I did not do O-level commerce, no problem. I will get 9A, no problem. I will get 1A, no problem. I don't care. This is brand new. Is it clear? This is a new life, guys. O-level ivarai. Right? O-level ivarai. This is a new life. So here, you don't want to have any previous knowledge also. Is it clear? Then ordinary level ne monada? Advanced level. Some of you all might think, subject නවයක් match ගහපු අපිට ඕක කජ්ජද්ද ගහලානේ. No, guys, sometimes for the last 11 years you studied, or O level 2 years you studied, but to be honest, last 3 months you worked. No, that only helped you all. ඒකනේ උනේනේ. අර අන්තිම මාසෙ තමයි ඇත්තට දැන්නේ බම් මේක තේරෙන්නේ. YouTube එක අරයි දැන්නේ තේරෙන්නේ. So A level එකේ අන්තිම මොහොතේ මුකුත් කරන්න බෑ. Last month we'll do so from A. I'm not saying it's difficult. It's easy if you start from day 1. Why did you all come today? Shall I say, guys? Okay, because they said we are starting on June 4th the school. If not, you won't come. පොඩ්ඩක් ආතල්ලේ rest එකක් අරගෙනනේ. එහෙමනේ ඉන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන්. But you all came why? They are starting because they are going to keep your exams very soon. So I won't be starting another batch, guys. I will give this recordings are very man නිකන් ඉක්මනටම ඊයේ recording දැම්මේ කියන්න it's very clear. Audio, video ඔක්කොම නිකන් physical class එකකින් වගේ තමයි ඇහෙන්නේ. Even you all also will get the same recording for free. Now you are coming for this class no. ගෙදර යද්දි recording එකක් ලැබෙනවා, guys. ඒතර revise කරන්නත් ලේසි ඔයගලන්ට. Especially calculation sum එකක් තේරුම් නැත්නම් ගෙදර ගිහලා මොනවද කරමුලා ආය rewind කරලා pause කරලා හිතලා තේ එකක් බීලා ආය forward කරලා බලන්න ඒ chance එක තියෙනවා. Understood, guys? Okay, right. Okay, so but don't miss classes for that sake. I won't be giving. ඒතර මම කියනවා recording ඕන නම් සල්ලි දීලා ගන්න කියනවා. එතකම් free, ආවේ නැත්නම් free නෑ. Right? Okay, right, guys. Complete the next chart there, whatever it's given. What is input? You all know, guys. Transactions and events. What is output? Financial information. Financial information. Malit Taya is smiling. Is it a transaction? A person is smiling. Is it a transaction? A person is smiling. Is it a transaction? No. What? Why can you understand? Transaction means there should be what? An exchange of resources in terms of money. මම හායි කියලා මෙයාත් හායි කිව්වොත් ඒක transaction වෙන්නත් බෑ. දෙකම exchange තමයිනේ. මම buy කියලා මෙයා buy කිව්වොත් no, it should be in terms of money. Even events guys, I jumped, it's an event. I jumped and I broke my teeth, doctor charged 20,000, that's an event. Why? There is a value in money. Is it clear? But in your exam they are not going to ask what is accounting, what එහෙම ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ. They will ask calculate. ඔයා calculate කරන් පට ගැහුවා ලිව එච්චර ලේසි. Doing sum is very interesting. Why you hate maths is because you didn't understand guys. එච්චරයි. If you hate a subject, you don't understand the subject. It's not like I don't like it නෙවෙයි, right? මේක maths නෙවෙයි, මේක simple plus minus තියෙන්නේ guys, right? But shall I test your maths knowledge? එපා. Right, read the next one guys. You all feel no? What are inputs guys? Inputs are transactions and events. What are outputs? Financial information. Provide in what form? ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඒක දෙන document එක මොනවද කියන්නේ? Financial statement. Commerce කරපු කටිය profit or loss statement. අන්න ඒක තමයි මට එපා වුනේ. Statement of financial position. අම්මෝ අර 7 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ මට නම් ඒක එපා වුණා. So it's very easy guys. That is given in that. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next note guys. Transactions can be identified as an, what is that word? Highlight the word exchange of resources. They won't ask you this in the exam, right? Okay, they won't ask such a question. මෙහෙම අහන්නෙත් නැහැ. Exchange of resources between a business and other parties. Some sort of exchange should be there. At least money should be given, right? However, in the business point of view, only transactions which their amounts can be measured in terms of money are considered in accounting. Example, you all write. Purchasing rupees 10,000 worth of stocks. Example, purchasing rupees 10,000. When you are writing rupees guys, hereafter do this. You write RS 10,000. කමා එහෙම දාන්න යන්න එපා. ඒක දැම්මම සමහර කට්ටිය කමා 1 වගේ guys. හරිද? කමා දානවා මෙහෙම. හරි එහෙනම් ඒක 10,000. Or you can write 10,000 and put that symbol that we use for rupees. Is it clear? Now if I am teaching Excel syllabus means I teach pounds. Yes or no? US syllabus යන්නම් dollars. ලංකාවේ rupees. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් we can use this symbol there. Is it clear? So don't just write 10,000 then they will ask coconut or mango. Is it clear? So what is it? 10,000 worth of goods. Another one example, next this line you all write. Can I say 10,000 stock was destroyed by flood? Is it transaction? IN flood did not have transaction there. That is what then? Still you can record as a loss. That is what? Event. So transaction means there should be what? 2 people at least. No, right. Second one you all write. Paid rent rupees 50,000. Paid rent rupees 50,000. In the exam, will they ask what is transaction? No. What is event? No. They won't ask guys. What is accounting? Will they ask? Not in writing theory. They will ask in MCQ only. Always the first MCQ in any A-level accounting paper is out of the following, select the definition of accounting. What is accounting for us? Important information. Providing what? Information for whom? Stakeholders. Why? They should make decisions. That is accounting. Nothing else guys. How to prepare information? We don't know. That is what? This process, which is taught where? Not in chapter 1. Chapter 1 is what? Introduction to accounting only. Is it clear? But chapter 1 නැතුව 2, 3, 4 ඔඩොක්කුවේ තියන් මං කියලා දුන්නත් තේරෙන්නේ. Okay, දැන් මෙයා එන්නේ නැතුව මං ඊට පස්සේ chapter 2 ආවල එන්න පුතේ. උස්සලම මේක තමයි තේරෙන්නේ. Why? In chapter 1 only you study the alphabets. 2, 3, 4 are words. Without alphabet, no words. People take chapter 1 easy. මෙතන තින්දී කට්ටිය asset මන් දන්නවා, liability මන් දන්නවා. Rather than knowing, I think you had memorized. Right? ඒතර ඒක අල්ල ගන්නම් ඒ වෙලාවට. Are you all okay with what is accounting? Are you all okay with what is input? Output? I'm asking. Yes or no, Kianda? What is accounting? Okay? Inputs means what you all know? What are the outputs you all know? Right. What are inputs? There are 2. One is transaction means other one is what? Event. Now let's see what is event in next page. accounting events are only those events that can be measured in monetary terms despite an exchange of resources takes place or not. Exchange une natat, so if you can measure in monetary terms, you can record. Even though there is an exchange or no, if it is in monetary terms, you can record. For example, destroyed stock, was there an exchange? Destroyed stocks due to flood, was there an exchange? No, but still I can record in accounting because that stocks has a value. Is it clear? That's why we say event. Is it clear, guys? So write down example. Okay, 2 bullet points. Example dan donna kilimali under destroying of rupees 10,000 worth of stocks due to flood. Destroying of rupees 10,000 worth of stocks due to flood. I'll say another event. Have you all heard the word depreciation? Right, I'll just say, now look at this fan. Is it still worth the brand new price? No. What we do when we use it, it value would go down. Now my phone gaddi, I'll just say, guys, I bought this phone, right? Etra mama meka avila brand new tiyeddi hari mama meka unbox kara, guys. Mokadda une value ekata aduna use kara, guys. Mokadda une value ekata pota වැටිලා හීරුණා, guys. මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ value එකට? What happens in accounting, we call them depreciation. Standard definition all you study later, wear and tear, value goes down. Right now, when we use a fixed asset, I'll say what is fixed asset. When we use something, its value will go down, no? That is what, guys? Depreciation. Is it clear? So another example, all right? Depreciation of DEPRECIATION, depreciation. DEPRECIATION, depreciation of machinery, rupees 2,000. What does it mean? Machine navilla rupial 2000 වටනාකම අඩුණා. Machine 2000 පුරවන්දි machine வந்து අල්ල පුරුමදි කොරංජිරිචි. 2000 worth of machinery value has gone down. So those are not transaction, but still we record because those are events. Understood? Girls, understood? Terno? Understood? So you know what is accounting, what are inputs, what are outputs. Are you ready to prepare accounts, guys? No, you don't know. Can you prepare accounting? No. We only know the theory part. What is accounting? Hadana vidiye danne naha, guys. Is it clear? Right. Now, before we move on to like other stuffs, there are two types of accounting. Grade 12 and grade 13, 40% is one type of accounting. Grade 13, 60% is the other type of accounting. Have you heard SIMA? ACCA අහලා තියෙනවනේ සමහර කට්ටිය දැම්ම පඬිත වෙලා ACC සීමා දැන් කවුරුත් පටන් ගන්න එපා. මගේ ඇඩ්වයිස් එක ඒක තමයි. සමහර නෑ කරන්න අපරාධ subscription fee ගෙව ඉන්න වෙයි ඒ level වෙලා කරනකම්. If you all want to do double AT, I'm not saying anyone is doing double AT, hands up. Right, 1 2 right 3. I'm also now teaching for 13-14 years. My advice, මම මේක පොඩක් කියන්නම්. හරිද? මේක subject නෙවෙයි. They people who teach double AT will say this. They will double AT කරා නම් පුතා ඔයාට A level ලේසි වෙයි. පට්ට පල් බොරු. A level double AT කරා නම් no ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දැන් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. You do double AT. No, I am not saying don't do double AT. Do double AT. Don't have the confidence. මගේ ළමයෙක් හිටියා ඔයගොල්ලන් සීනියර් ඩබල් AT කරලා A level පන්ති ආවේ නැහැ. මාස 3න් ආයෙ එනවා. Why? What happened? No, sir. In double AT, you're going first. I don't know where are you going. But let me say, they will teach you how to answer a paper. When you open all the past papers, same format, number is only changed. You are answering because you did that paper. A level questions are not like that, guys. You all understand? You just go for any class, මේක කරන්නේ මෙහෙම තමයි. මේක මෙහෙ දාන්න, do this like this. ඇයි මොකුත් they don't teach. Then you do what? You take a paper. Can answer. Why? same thing, numbers have changed. You do, but don't mess up with your A-level class, because most of the A-level double A classes are in weekends. Then you will say, sir, the double A. If you are doing online or if you are doing on a weekday, no problem do. But if you do that, make it a help in I will help you in double it. Do you all understand, guys? Okay, make it a help in guys. Trust me, that is the ask from your seniors who are done double AT or who are doing double AT or in my class. Godak කට්ටිය hostel ගාන යනවා. එහෙ double AT ඔක්කොම ඉවරයි. Third stage double AT ඉවරයි. එනවා accounting equation දන්නේ නැහැ. Double entry දන්නේ නැහැ. But double AT qualified. Not everyone I am saying. Most of them, right? Okay. So if you are doing, do. Karanda, habai, don't think because of that it is going to help your A levels, right? Somewhat similar things are there, but they won't spend a lot of time in explaining the concepts perfectly. They will say, do this, like this, okay, done, please do the paper, right? A level is complicated than that. Hurry, guys. Now I was talking about SIMA and ACC. You know, SIMA is management accounting, ACC is chartered accounting. Financial accounting and management accounting. What are the two types of accounting you are going to learn right now, guys? Mukadda. One is financial accounting. Other one is what? Management accounting. I will say the difference like this. I'll take you. What's your name? Abdul. Hari. Nama. Age? 17. School? Sylvester. කරලා තියෙන හොර වැඩේ මොකද්ද? He won't say. Guys, no. Why he should say me? හරි මම මෙයා ගෙදර කොච්චර සල්ලි තියනවද? මෙයාටයි ඕවා. Correct or no? He said his name. You know his name. You know his name. He said his age. Everyone knows the age. He said what is school. Everyone knows school. I asked what is the work you have done with. No one knows. He never said. Because that information is not needed for you all, guys. Agree or no? Guys, if the information is only for whom, guys? Manager, we call what accounting? If the information is for anyone, we call it as. So financial accounting avila stakeholders la internal and external. Management accounting, the users are not all, only who? Internal. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Understood, guys? Okay. Some information only your family members know. හැබැයි ගමටම දන්නව නම් ගෙදරටත් දන්නවා. Some information your family knows, village does not know. Some information village knows means your family also knows. Understood, guys? Okay. So financial accounting is what? Providing information for which stakeholders? All stakeholders. Management accounting, only intern. That's the basic difference. Understood or no, guys? Okay. Understood or no? Now someone is asking, ada panthi giyane someone a conductor, Nangi, what's financial accounting? Ayya, if the information is available for anyone, it is what accounting? Fine. Then what is management accounting? If the information is available only for managers, not for outsiders, that is what accounting? Management accounting. Is it clear? KFC gila handko. How much is the price of KFC chicken bucket? How much they will give? And what is the cost of the chicken bucket? Will they give? That information customer lata dende one. Nah, that information only for whom? For management. So that is the basic difference between what accounting? Financial accounting and management accounting. Understood or no? Right. Write down below financial accounting. Online students, you all check, guys. And the financial accounting, all right? This refers to the type of accounting. This refers to the type of accounting this refers to the type of accounting which provides information which provides information To internal stakeholders, is it correct? හරිද? ලියන්න එපා. To internal. If I write internal, එකක් කියලා තව එකක් කියනවනේ. Should I say internal? To what? All. To all. Within bracket, internal and external stakeholders. To all, within bracket, internal and external stakeholders. For decision making purpose. Right? Full stop, continue. Same thing, continue. Right, okay? Right? These are prepared. Don't have space. Have one line. These are prepared by following accounting concepts, principles and standards. And you to use another line, and standards. Enough, guys. Understand, guys? I will say what is that second sentence. I explained the first sentence, no? I'll say what is that second sentence, right? Okay? Eka man kiyana, I second sentence. Oh, look at this. What have I written? What have I written, boys? Amoxicillin 5 gram 1 day. Don't know, sir. Can you understand what I have written? No. But do you all agree that's how the doctors write? I know English. I know Mamat Poddi Kalina English medium igena gatte, so I know good English. Doctor gives me the prescription. He says something. I hit it. Okay, doctor. Because I don't trust the doctor. I trust the pharmacy. I go and give this to him. He will take. He gives. I read it 5 times. I couldn't. Pharmacist can read in 1 second. Is it clear or no? And yeah, he's giving me a tablet now. A tablet එක පටන් ගන්නේ G එකෙන්. Then මම අහනවා, excuse me, same නේ මේක A අවුලන්නේ. ඒකම brand එක වෙනස්. Have you faced that situation? Especially boys යවනවානේ pharmacy ගිහින් ඉන්න කියලා. ඒතර බෙහෙත් ගද්දි බලනවා වෙනස් දෙකම. නෑ brand එක අරන් යන්න. Yes or no, boys? Look at this. Doctor, one of my aunties also doctor, guys. Okay, right? Okay, මගේ අම්මගේ නංගිත් doctor. එයාගේ අකුරු දැක්කනම් you won't say she's a doctor. එයා ලස්සනට ලියන්නේ. ලස්සනට ලියන්නේ. එතකොට මෙයා ડોක්ටර් දන්නේ නැයි අකුරු ලස්සනයි. ડોක්ටර් නම් අකුරු කැත නේමනේ. So guys, doctor writes not for everyone to understand. Doctor writes for whom to understand? For the pharmacist. මම දැන් අද ඇවිල්ලා සිංහලෙන් විතරක් කිව්වනම් ඉංග්‍රීසි නෑ තමිල් නෑ සිංහල විතර කිව්වොත් සමහර කට්ටිය නැගිටලා යයි. දෙමළෙන් විතරක් කිව්වනම් මේ මොන අnder දෙමළක් කියනවද දන්නෙත් නෑ ගයි. නේද නේ? So why am I using all 3 languages same right now? I can teach only in English, but we are used to Sinhala and Tamil. Why am I using? So that everyone will understand. Understood, guys? Okay. So here look. Doctor writes only for pharmacist. No, he does not follow any rules, anything. Why? Pharmacy hari. So in your O-level exam, the last 5 minutes you wrote for whom to understand. O-level exam last 5 minutes. Velawa hari. You think you will get marks for that? No. For that only they have rules. Start a question in a fresh paper. Write this. Clearly write. Place the number. Why? That marking scheme okkama therenne onne guys. But management accounting, like not financial accounting, everyone should understand no. Should follow rules or no then? Should follow. My manager is an Indian. එතන මම හින්දි වලින් හදනවා. ඇති ඇයි? Only for him to understand. If I play financial accounting, I have to use a language method for everyone to understand. Means I have to follow accounting rules. In A level, we have something called Yanda Tere, Lanka Accounting Standard, Sri Lanka Financial Reporting. May okkama follow karadi what accounting? Financial accounting. Why? Everyone should understand. Management accounting, no standards. Why? Only who should understand? Manager. Manager Hindi වලින් ලිව්වත් කමක් නැහැ. Why? Manager. All no need to understand. So just think management account is like the doctor guys. He writes not for everyone to understand, for the pharmacist to understand. Is it clear or no guys? Okay. Right. Now let's write what is management accounting. All right. Management accounting refers to the type of accounting that would provide information for whom guys? Say me. For all. Harida. That provide information only to whom guys? Which stakeholders? Internal stakeholders. Internal stakeholder within bracket you write which internal කියවම පස්සේ employee උත් ඉන්නවනේ. හැබැයි mainly කාටද? Within bracket we write whom? Manager. No, internal stakeholders within bracket manager. Right? To make important decisions such as planning, organizing and controlling the business resources it's enough guys. Okay, so I did not say give the note, but I'm asking from you, do you want to follow standards here? Management accounting should follow standards. Again, accounting rules එම follow කරන්න ඕනේ එහෙමද? නෑ, management මේ හෙට උදේ ෆයිල් එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ කියද්දි හරි මම අද report එක හදලා දෙන්නම්. For whom to understand? For the manager. Financial accounting, you can't do that. Who should understand financial accounting? Everyone should understand financial accounting. Is it clear everyone? Right. So you know right now this. See, look, I came for today's class. සමහර කට්ටිය නිකන් ගිහිලා බලමුකෝ මචං මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කාලානේ. හරි ආවා. I know what is accounting. I don't have any O-level commerce knowledge. I know what is accounting. Gathering Hana, what is accounting? Are you going to memorize that note? No. Accounting is providing information. Gathering Allana. What information? Financial information. What is financial information? Any information which is measured in monetary terms. So when you give information in accounting, you don't say nice, beautiful, ugly. You say 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. Is it clear guys? Okay. Then say me, listen. Then say me, what are the inputs in accounting? Transactions and events. What are outputs in accounting? Very good. Financial information. Provided in what guys? Financial statement. Do you know what are the financial statements? Don't know. Do you know what are the inputs? Yes. Don't know the financial statements? You all don't know. There are 5. You all don't know. All those ones know. Note 2. Profit or loss statement. Statement of financial portion. එව්ව අමතක කරන්න. අපිට all knowledge ඕනේ නෑ. Next thing, how many types of accounting are there? 2. Financial accounting and So in grade 12 fully we have what accounting? Financial podi part athina manje attarala daanda. Grade 13 attarala daanda kiwe dananta oka. Grade 13 60% management, 40% financial. So you know that when we are preparing financial accounting, we have to follow some rules, we have to follow some standards, we have to follow some LKS, SLFRs, right? But management accounting we prepare for whom to understand? Managers. So now we are going to differentiate between those two using several criteria. What is the first criteria, guys? You will answer. What is the first criteria? Users. Who are the users in financial accounting? Internal or external? All stakeholders. So right, what is it? All stakeholders. Management accounting? Internal within bracket. Is that specifically who, guys? Internal ki hamase godak katina. Specifically who? Managers, right? Next, what is the difference? Purpose. Right, guys? Guys, මෙයාගේ මන් නම ඇහුවා. මොකක්ද නම ඇහුවා? I asked the name, age, which school are you from? If you reveal that information to anyone, is it going to be a problem for you? No. Card number, debit card number and the CVC number, no? Oh, දෙන්නේ. දැන් මං අහනවා where are you? මම අහනවා අලුත ඈ. Where are you from? So I am from this country. What's your home address? ඇයි බං ඕවා අහන්නේ? So guys, that information is what purpose you know? පොදු. ඒක දැනගෙන මුකුත් කරන්න බෑ. What purpose we call then? What purpose we call? What purpose? General purpose. Financial accounting information එක after class බස් එකේ යද්දී හරියට ගෙදර ගිහිල්ලා ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එක ගහලා බලන්න. HNB financial statement. You get that, guys. ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එක යටේ they do for publication. Guys, if a company does not provide what is their total profit or loss, will an outside investor or no? He won't invest. So information it is common for anyone. Then management accounting, is it general? What is the opposite of general? Confidential, like private. So we call general, other one is what? If you are general, other one is what? There are two degrees, general degree and what purpose? Special, or we can use the word specific. Now confidential is like more personal, no more private, right? Okay. So what is the purpose of financial accounting? General purpose. Management account, what is the purpose? Specific or special purpose. Second difference. Right? Third one is what, guys? Reporting frequency. Guys, financial accounting, they have to follow rules, no? So generally we prepare for every year, guys. Mokadda financial accounting, we prepare accounting how, guys? Every year. Management accounting, listen. ගෙදර වයිෆ් එක්ක රණ්ඩු මැනේජර් ඌට දැන් තරහ වයිෆ්ට ගහන්න බැරි නිසා ගෑවිලා මේ සතියකින් දෙන්න ඕනේ report එක. හරිද? දෙනවා කාලා බලන්න යනවා. Management accounting, you have to prepare whenever who wants. Manager wants. Financial accounting, no. There is a specific time period in accounting. In accounting year is how many year? 1 year. When is New Year, guys? Say me. Normally, when is New Year? If I take Christmas calendar, New Year is January 1st. If I say Sinhala Tamil New Year, it is April 14, right? If I take ours, we have a different calendar, so it changes normally. If I take accountants New Year, when we celebrate New Year, you all know? No, seriously. When do we? When is accounting New Year? Ayyo. April Fool Day. No. April 1st to March 31st is we call tax year, financial year, which is accounting year. Then api O-level sums hadaddi, when we are doing O-level, January to December. A-level all the sums are, even double all the sums are April to March. April 1st to 31st March of the next year. Is it clear? That is not what year? Tax year and financial year. So don't worry about that now. What is financial account is prepared for how many months? Every time or any time? No. How many months? Generally for 12 months period. We call it as one financial year. Management accounting, you prepare whenever the manager wants you to do. It is not connected to outsiders. It is connected to manager. No, yeah. If he wants you to prepare after another 5 days, means do after 5 days. Is it clear? So for reporting frequency, I'll write down. Generally, for a 12-month period. Generally, for a 12-month period. Generally for a 12-month period. What is 12-month period known as, guys? One financial year. What is 12 month known as? Ek January December ma තියෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මාස 12ක්, right? Generally one financial year. Then what about this one, guys? What about management account? Whenever required by the management. Whenever required by the management. Whenever required by the management. Next one is what? You all know that. What is it? Right, following rules. And who should follow? Standards, who should follow? In financial accounting, all right, should follow accounting concepts, principles, and standards. Right. I'll take 2 minutes of time for this. 2020 A level like a parana either, guys. 20 A level or 21 A level paper or 22 A level paper. Is it old? 22 A level paper, is it old paper or very latest? Latest, no. 22 A level past paper answer. I'll discuss that papers also with you, know. And my answer in one particular question is going to be different. What will the student think? Past paper uttare venai, Usman se uttare venas. Until last year it was same. From this year I am changing the answers. What's the question is same, answer is changed. Can anyone say why? Standard changed. So I answered, I taught the until 22 A level students, I taught that old standard. Standard changed. Who sir changes standards? In Sri Lanka Chartered Accountancy. The firm is the CA. They are the accounting body of Sri Lanka. Api copy karna kawada foreign bodies wala. For example, in foreign there is Super Singer, no. Sri Lanka copied Super Singer. In foreign there is American Got Talent. Sri Lanka introduced what? Sri Lanka Got Talent. In foreign there was IAS, International Accounting Standard. Ek hemma harwala Lanka Accounting Standard. In foreign there is IFRS. Dagona Sima SEC growth karane IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. Lanka ve hemma harwala Sri Lanka Financial Reporting Standard. IAS 2 inventory, LKS 2 inventory, IAS 16 property plant and equipment, LKS 16 property plant and api මොකක්ද කරලා තින්නේ කර copy කරා හරියද okay නේ right okay. Who should follow these standards, guys? Then I can't teach accounting the way I want. I have to teach you what the standard says. Is it clear? That's why my answer had changed. ඒක දන්නේ නැතුව පාස් පේපර් කරන කට්ටිය පාස් පේපර් උත්තරේ හරි එක්සෑම් එක උත්තරේ වැරදි. Why? When standard changed, you have to do what the standard says. Is it clear, guys? So who should follow standards? So write down. I said what should follow accounting. How do I say? Accounting concepts, principles, and standards. Clear? You have an extra space below the table. In that you all write. In that you all write. Under standards we have what? LKS and SLFRS. What is LKS, guys? Lanka. ඉස්සර මේකට කිව්වේ SLAS කියලා. Sri Lanka Accounting Standard. Now we call it as Lanka Accounting Standards. What is SLFRS? Sri Lanka Financial Reporting Standards. You will learn this in grade 13. In grade 13 only we mainly do with standards. In grade 12 we do with concepts, right? ඕවාගෙන දැන් දැනගන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ. LKS Lanka Accounting Standard, SLFRS Sri Lanka Financial Reporting Standards. And next one, guys. In management accounting, should you follow any standards and rules? Maika my petrol එකනේ මොකද්ද අනුන්ට ඕන විදිහට කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. You have to do for whom to understand, for the manager. So right there, what guys? No such requirements. No such requirements. So you have to study the last difference. No, what is the last difference? Nature of, guys listen, you prepare budget before the trip or after the trip? You all have gone trip, friends trip, family trip, school trip. Budget before trip or after trip? Before. After trip budget දානවා නම් කවුදෝ සල්ලි හොරකම් කරලා නේද? After trip budget දානවා නම් check කරනවා මොකද්ද මේ වියදම මට තේරෙන්නේ. So you put a trip, you put a budget before the trip. Agree guys? Okay, listen. Financial accounting, listen to this very clearly. Financial accounting, look, we are finance accountants balaganda. We will only say what took place. මොකද්ද උනේ එන්න නඩදිචි. We can't say the future. Management accounting, they can say the future. ශාස්ත්‍රකාරයද? They can forecast the future. Budget means what? Next year our sales will be this much. Next year we expect a cost of this much. Next, so that is budget. Am I correct? Who prepares budget, guys? Financial accounting or management accounting? Management. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට future information උත් හදන්න පුළුවන්. Financial accounting will have only record what you know. What took place? How much was the profit? How much was the loss for any period ended? After January, I will prepare financial accounting. Before January, I can prepare what? Next month I hope to have an increase in profit by 20,000. That is what accounting? Management accounting. Is it clear? Before you buy a photocopy machine or something, management account will do a study. If I buy this photocopy, is it for me profitable or not profitable? He's forecasting. Management accounting for decision making. Financial accountant will say, after buying the photocopy machine, whether is the profit or loss. So financial accounting, they provide what took place. We call it as what information? Past නැත්තම් historical information. Management accounting, future කියන්න පුළුවන්. Can't he say the past? And if he can say the future, he also can say the one past. Yes or no, guys? Okay. ඒ කියන්නේ the information you give, I can say මේ ඊළඟ මාසේ වීදම වැඩි ඇති අඩු ඇති. I mean the next month expense might be more or less. I can give you. That is what accounting? Management. Last month this was the income expenses, financial. But management accounting also can use what? Last month information. So we'll write and finish it that off. In financial accounting you all write historical / past information. Historical / past information. So management accounting what? Past, present, future. Past, present, future. What is future means? They can budget, forecast හදන්න පුළුවන්. Past, present, future. Alright boys, girls බලාගන්න. ඕගලන්ටම දන්නේ නැතුව lesson 1 and lesson 2 is finished. Page number 1. There are how many lessons in chapter 1? 5. පට්ට බෝරින් නේ මෙහෙම ලියද්දිනේ. Yes. මටත් එපා වෙනවා. Only first tute you write. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth until 10th you only what? Calculate. So this is only and එපා වෙනන්නේ accounting මොකක්ද අප්පා ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. Only this guys. After that all what? Calculations. It's not boring like writing. So guys, are you okay with first two lessons? Now it is to answer A-level paper question. Page number 3. As I said yesterday in business studies guys, test your knowledge means you are not going to copy from the you are not going to copy from the tute, you are not going to copy from your friend, you are not going to copy your friend's answer, you are not going to copy from the tute, you are going to answer. These are A-level paper questions, right? I think the first question is 2021 A-level, one MCQ has 4 marks, right guys? First answer is what? Take your time, no worries, take your time, read and answer. Not my questions, these are not my questions. A-level extractions, right? Paper extractions. Inky pinky ponky epa harida. Inky pinky ponky father has ehim epa. Finished. I was teaching you all the first 2 lessons, so now you have an idea. Podi doubts say avulak naha guys. All right, for the online students, online lama inno right guys, sorry. Make sure you all collect the tute by next week, right? I mean online. First one only guys, okay. These are again I am saying I can prepare and come questions based on what I teach. එහෙමත් ඉන්නවනේ guys දැන් tute එක 90 questions හදලා දැන් බලන්න. But that's why when you are doing O level you are afraid of central province paper. You are afraid of FWC paper. No? Field work paper වලට බයයිනේ ඕගොල්ලන් අර science maths කරද්දී ඇයි ඒක අමාරුයි. If you study something not only that paper this paper you can answer any paper. Is it clear? If you can answer only my questions means I have cheated you all. Why? You can answer only Usman's question. No, you should be able to answer school paper, provincial paper, central province, that's us paper, this us paper. You should be able to answer. That means you understood. Is it clear? This is easy guys. What is the first answer guys? Is first one incorrect guys? Record all transactions in the books of accounts. Correct or incorrect? Hari, වැරදි නෑ. But it is not the objective. What is the objective of accounting? අයි අපි accounting කරන්නේ? To? Why do we do accounting? To record and keep it at home? No, to provide information to. That should be always the answer of primary function. What is the main function, primary function, objective? Only one answer. What is the answer? Providing information to whom? Stakeholders for decision making. So what is the answer number 1 guys? Okay, what is answer number 1? What is answer number 1? Third one is the best answer. Is it clear or not? Somehow, why is the fifth one? Why? I'm asking as a student, not a doubt. Fifth one? Detail. මෙතන කිව්වෙත් නෑනේ what accounting ගාලා. බලන්න මම හරිනේ අහනවනේ. මම කියවනේ කොහොම students doubt අහන්න ඕනේ. So how I say here they never said which accounting. Is it clear? Did you all notice one thing? Today we studied what is accounting. No, I never use the word there internal. I just use the word what. So if they don't mention what accounting, they are talking about financial accounting. Today we defined accounting. No, was it management accounting definition? No, financial accounting definition. Financial. Why? I never said they are I just said stakeholders. It could be anyone. So in the question, if they don't mention financial or management, they are talking about what accounting? Financial. Is it clear guys? So answer number 3. Second one, you have to state true or false. True or false in management accounting, right? Okay. Say guys, okay, A. What is A? Prepares general purpose financial reports. Prepares general purpose financial reports. True or false? Huh? Why false? So that is what purpose? Management accounting, what purpose? Hammotama podu na. It is only for specific people. Then what purpose? Special. Very good. False. Prepares financial reports in compliance with accounting standards. Guys, what is compliance? Following. Comply can in English? What do you mean by comply? Follow. Please comply here. Please follow. Should they follow standards? Should they follow standards? No. Management account no need to follow standards. Answer is false. Provide both past and future information of the business. True. Some people will think past nane. Yako future dannawa nang past kohomad dannawa. You all understand what I'm saying? If they can analyze the future thing, they should know what is past, right? So true or false? True. Generates information on demand of the managers of the business. They prepare on the request of managers. True or false? True. Very good. Inputs of accounting are known as transactions, while outputs are known as right. Don't answer fourth. Turn to page number 7. Don't answer fourth. Turn to page number 7. Online students no need because you all don't have it. I'm just saying. In that page number 7, I have given the remaining 3 lessons. Look at the heading. What is it? Stakeholders. Boring. Accounting environment. Appo boring. Accounting elements. If you don't know that, you don't know accounting. So, me padamema, which is important. Accounting elements. Listen to this. Accounting elements. What are elements? I think O-level commerce. Assets, liabilities, equity, income, expense. If you don't know that, Pute, you can't do A-level accounting. Because that is like alphabet in accounting. Without knowing what is accounting, you can do the calculation. But if you don't know accounting elements, you forget accounting. Is it clear? Right. Now, why I said you to turn there? Did you see the lesson 3 heading? Stakeholders. Who are stakeholders, girls, boys? Chapter 1 we don't do for 1 month. Dawas dekan නැත්තන් 3ක්. Chapter මේ tute එක කරන්නේ 1 month නෙවෙයි. How many days? 2 days, next day or only 3. It is done, guys. Not only introduction part. Chapter 2 you do for around 2 months. That is accounting equation. So guys, stakeholders. Listen to this clearly, everyone. What is this, guys? Okay, lesson 3, stakeholders. You know who are stakeholders? No, I just gave a question of stakeholders here. ඇත්තට ඕනේ කියලා නෙවෙයි. වැරදිලා print වෙලා. But I trust you all. 2018 A-level paper, you will answer. This is what 2018 A-level paper, you will answer. What you should do? You have to mention who needs that information. Balanda, guys. At least answer the D part, guys. At least answer the D part in number 4. Amount of taxes paid by the entity. A information e kaata done. Just select from that. Select. Pinky. Oh, the higher is. Who needs that information, guys? You know that. I said this is an A-level paper. I'll teach you the lesson 3 in next session. But this is the answer. What, guys? Who needs that amount of taxes paid by? Whether government needs or investor needs or lenders needs or managers needs. Who needs? There, look, guys. You okay? Common sense. Tippana pulwa. Man kiyala dunnet naha tama. Do you all agree? We'll go for another one. Entity's ability to meet its long-term obligation. What is obligation? You know, Naya. What is obligation? Kadan. Naya. Who is interested there, guys? Okay. There, look, you are saying who is interested? Whether you can pay the long-term loan. Who is interested in that? Those 4. I will teach you all in the next class, but I am saying certain things, if you understand, you can answer. What is the answer? Lenders. Cost of products manufactured by the entity. Managers. Cost එක manager. Profitability of the entity compared to capital invested. එතනම තියෙනවා. අපි සල්ලි දාලා profit එනවද නැද්ද? Who is interested? Guys, you are able to answer, no? No? should be. Metana wicket nang guys aaya hamadama 11th batsman tamai. I'm saying no need O level knowledge to understand this, right? But question number 4, if you can't do also no problem. I did not teach it. Eka misprint pela etino etana, right? Like let's go for, don't answer 4th one, 6th one, please do answer 6th one. Please don't make a mistake. It is also an A-level past paper. 6th one. Sixth one, you will answer, guys. Sixth one, you will answer. What is the main purpose of financial accounting of firm? Now you know the answer. You know, no need to turn notes, guys. Before selecting the answer, you think, what is the main purpose? Providing financial information to stakeholders for decision making, right? Okay. First one. First one is correct or incorrect? Correct, but it is not the correct answer. It is a correct statement, but not the correct answer. Ne? They are following legal requirement. Hari, varadi ne. But the question is what? Question is what? Purpose, main purpose. First one is not the main purpose. Preparation of general. Eka tamai uttare hari. They did not ask what is correct and incorrect. They asked the main purpose. Some students, general purpose, financial, correct. They did not ask out of this what is connected to financial accounting. They asked what is the main purpose. That's not the main purpose. No, sir, general purpose, correct. No. Some students matching purpose. What is the main purpose? What is the main function? What is the main objective? Only one answer always. What is it? Providing information to stakeholders for decision making. Third one, I'm thinking like you all. Provision of information for the annual external. Fourth, correct or no? Correct, no? You don't know what is external audit, guys. What is external? What is audit? We are doing accounting, no? We are doing accounting, no? Checking whether the accountant did it correctly or incorrectly is known as auditing, guys. Now, guys, your school will have auditor. Your accountant salli gahanda puluwan ne. Eya salli gahuwada no gahuwada horakam karada nadda gala kaatада kiyanna puluwan. Auditor. For that you have a lesson subject called what? Auditing. It is not in A level. Is it clear? So if I am an auditor, what I am doing? කොහොමද කියන්නේ මැජික්ද? නෑ. They check all the process and they found මෙතන ලක්ෂ 5කට ගණු දෙනු නෑ, guys. That is what then? Auditing. Is it the main purpose of financial accounting? Audit එකට දෙන්නද? No. Next one. Fourth one is like correct, sir, but financial information word is not there. Correct or no? Fifth one, financial information is correct, sir. Managers nang financial accounting neve, sir. What pissu wage. What does your instinct says? Mokadda kiyane gatt එක මොනවද කියන්නේ උත්තරේ? Financial වචනේ නෑ. හැබැයි ඒකට වැඩි ඒක තමයි best ම උත්තරේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. This is not my question again. A-level paper question. Answer is fourth one, guys. I know that it's not a perfect answer, but that's the best answer compared to other four. Is it correct or no, guys? Right. Answer 7 and 8 also. 7 and 8 also. Which statements are true in relation to the special purpose means what? Accounting, guys. Without saying management accounting, they are talking about management accounting, right? A is correct or incorrect? A is correct or incorrect? ඕගොල්ලන් guys පට්ට ටැලන්ට් වෙන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ. If you can understand what I'm saying, බය නැතුව ගන්න පුළුවන් result එක. For that no guys, you come for class no. එහෙම මම මෙහෙම වෙන්න එහෙම නෑ. If you can understand what I'm saying, then you can answer. That's all. A is A correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Why? External parties is not special. Special purpose means financial or management. Special purpose means financial or management. Management. Will they give for external people information? No. So A is incorrect. Wrong. It's a part of organizational management information system. your mind voice is saying ඒක නම් දන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි management කියලා තියෙනවනේ. ඒ නිසා හරි වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා guess කරපු එකත් හරි. Understood? No? That's all. නේ ඒක බොරුවට අපි yes it is කියලා මම බොරු කරන්නේ. You don't know but you just get management information system මොන හරි management හරි වෙන්න ඕනේ. Answer is correct. That is one information system used by whom? O level ICT TPS එහෙම කියන transaction processing system ESS MI නැද්ද ඒව නැද්ද O level නෑ අහලා නෑ executive support system ICT no there are information system helping whom managers okay that is one information system right it is prepared to plan and control organizational operational activities plan and control are whose functions managers so what is the answer guys B and C eighth one only 2 classes we are writing after that it's all calculation ලියන්නේ ඕනනම් අනිත් බැච් එකේ වාඩි වෙයි දැන් ඇවිල්ලා ඕන්න පිටිපස්සේ හිටගෙන ගිහලා බලාගෙන යන්න තන්නේ කරන්නේ බෝඩ් එකේ පිරෙන්න මොනවද calculation right what is the next one guys which of the following statement best describes there can be more than one correct answer you have to select the best answer guys what is the answer this is easy what is it first one recording is only one of the process no step in a process converts transaction to financial that is only accounting but the purpose is not that now you know financial statements to its annual audit that's not the purpose planning and controlling is it financial accounting then last one provides information of firm to its external stakeholders and managers sir where are these managers තියෙන ගමටම දන්නවනම් ගෙදරටත් දන්නවා if outsiders can get that information why can't the some of you all thought fifth one is wrong why manager is there but if outsider knows the information will the manager know or don't know no so what is the answer guys fifth one understand now guys my homework for you all is complete this 20 MCQs some are very difficult some are very easy do what you can and come is it clear but guys if you miss next class and if I don't next class what is important you know look at this boring interesting I'll start with the interesting part what is accounting elements there are 5 O level karat A level karat degree karat MBA karat PhD karat there is only how many accounting elements 5 asset liability equity income expense without guys not by memorizing the definition without understanding those 5 it's going to be a difficult journey come next class we will learn it perfectly wait a small change there are some students who are doing accounting econ and ICT also they are business කරන්නේ ළමයි ඉන්නවා business I am doing business and accounting business class guys Saturday I have the 1 to 3 no I said no yeah 1 to 3 p.m. okay we'll make it as 2:55 okay hari right accounting Saturday like 3:05 to 5 o'clock if it is difficult to travel in 2 days Saturday and Sunday we can follow this if you think no sir I have to come on Sunday means we can follow on Sunday 1 to 3 p.m. do you all have any classes during this time classes sorry මොන නෑ බොරුවට කියන්නත් ඕනේ නෑ සර් ගාලා ගෙදර shall we follow this or this guys this is convenient no and I have posted my business studies recording also in that group business studies එක theory උනාට you can't memorize බලන්න බලලා ඔයාලට තේරෙනද කියලා බලන්න right if you are happy yes I know what I'm teaching but I can't follow is boast no here no right I have to convince you all the thing is within 2-3 classes you will understand I will have on Saturday if everyone can come it will be a big help if you come on Saturday because I am dying on Sunday as well as Saturday 8 to 5 continuous now once you go there are students coming if you can come on this is a big help if it is inconvenient I will do this as group 1 and group 2 no problem shall we try on Saturday next class no You all have any class? No, same, it's okay. Girls? Can? Shall we try? And sometimes if you miss a class, or now today you are doing this class, no. Adama me recording a group ke danavat ekka. Then at home you can do that. Join the group, right? Okay. You all know how to join? Danne. Me number mage number tamai. Drop a message for this. Namath ekka kiyana nikan group කියලා ගහන්න එපා. It's a community. කවුරුත් numbers ගන්න බය වෙන්න එපා. ඒ හන්දා 7776484. It's a community. ඒකේ ඇතුලේ groups තියෙනවා ඕන්නම් join වෙන්න. නැත්තම් ඕනේ නැහැ. මේකට message එකක් දාන්න. එහෙම නැත්තම් take your mobile phone and scan the QR code. Straight away you will enter the community, right? Okay, right? This one, right? WhatsApp the community. That's all, guys. Is there anything you all want to know, guys? So you all come continuously. We can do perfect. There might be newcomers පස්සේ දැන් නෙවේ මාස දෙකෙන් තුනෙන් ඒගොල්ලන්ට වඩා ඕගොල්ලන්ට හෙමින් ලේසියෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන් because you started very early, right? I know it's very early, but school is also starting, right? Okay, so invite your friends also. I hope you all understood accounting ne hari යන්න කලින් මේ පැක් කරගන්න යන්න කලින් මට කියන්න what is accounting පැක් කරගෙන කියන්න what is accounting? Providing financial information to stakeholders. Why? For decision making. Why they need the types of accounting? Financial management accounting rather than the note. Understood? No? Okay, guys, all the best then. Saturday, shall I? You all have anything on Saturdays? Classes have, right? What class? You are from far. Where are you from? Saturday, Sunday, same time, no? No, 3 to 5, no? It's Saturday පුළුවන් කට්ටිය එන්න මම Sundayත් කරනවා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. It's okay. But don't come Saturday or Sunday. Sometimes Sunday, not like you select one time. I will encourage you to come on Saturday. If you can't come on Saturday due to a valid reason, come on Sunday class. It's okay. I will die, no problem. No worries. Hurry, guys. Okay. See, all right. Okay then. Okay. Join the group today itself, boys. I hope you all there in the group. No. Join the group, right?